Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can complete a VIC Arrival Submission. This is for Victorian services that have kindergarten enabled. To submit your submission to VIC Arrivals, you can do this one of two ways. You can set up an automatic arrival submission, or you can submit this manually. To enable the automatic arrival submission, you're going to go to your settings menu and under the admin tab, scroll down to kindergarten. You will then see the VKFS automatic arrival submission setting. When you click on the setting, you can select a day of the week and an arrival submission will automatically be submitted each week on that particular day's evening. So for example, by selecting Tuesday, this will be automatically submitted each Tuesday evening. By default, the arrival submission start date is set to the 1st of January 2025. However, if you're only starting this process from example this week, you would change this date to the current week, which means it will only show the arrival submission weeks from this current week, and it will not try to submit the weeks prior to that date. To view your VIC Arrival Submission menu, you can click on your service menu and under kindergarten, you will see Arrival Submission. For this example, we have set the setting to a Tuesday. So on the Tuesday, effectively the current week, along with any other previous weeks that need any records submitted, will automatically be picked up and submitted to VIC Arrivals. However, you can, as a user, come in at any time and submit a record manually. So for example, for this current week, we can see that it has not yet been submitted. So if I click submit, it will then submit that record. And in the error column, if there are any errors, we will display those unsubmitted records. You can click on that hyperlink and it will display the reason for that submission. So this could be because the record is missing both a sign in and out time, or missing a sign out time, or has not been marked absent. And also the child must have an address. So we will display all of those errors in that column. The user can go ahead, update and fix those errors, and then they can come back and resubmit. So for this example, if we go into the sign in and out, we can see that we have got Minnie Mouse with no sign in and out time for the Monday. And we are missing a sign out time for the Tuesday. So now if we come back into the arrival submission and we click resubmit, we can now see it's been resubmitted and our errors have now gone. You can also view what has been submitted by clicking on the little icon in the action column to review all of the results. On the home screen, we do have an alert widget, Arrival Submission, and this will display any records that have not had a sign in and out time or have not been submitted to arrivals for any previous weeks that have been submitted. This is more applicable for when you're submitting your auto submission. So it's just alerting you that the auto submission did run. However, there are a number of records that have not yet been submitted. So again, you can click on that hyperlink and it's going to take you straight to that arrival submission panel where you can view those errors for you to then go and fix up. If you require any further information on the VIC Arrival Submission feature, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.